Hey, hello everyone. Hope all of you are healthy and staying safe. So, today I am going to talk about this melon or melon pumpkin plant uh, that I have grown in my balcony garden. And I think it's a mistake that I tried it out because the leaves are really big, and I think the plant is going to be dense. And in this small space that I have in my balcony, I feel this would be too much of a plant. Anyways, I'll see, since it has started growing, I'll have to let it grow and see where it takes me. But this particular melon is the fruit is awesome. You have to taste it to understand how good it is, and it is really nutritious as well. So uh, I suppose I will have to uh, since it's a wine, it will have to go through here, and I will have to make arrangements for that. And let's see where it goes. So this was all that I'm going to uh, update you about my balcony garden as of today. And there is not much, that there are not many other plants other than this tomato, uh, which I will um, about which I will put up a video once it is harvest time. So that's about it. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and ask if you have any questions in the comments. Uh, Thank you for your time.